Look, Jess, look, Jess.
Stop it, Huggy.
Look at it, Jess. Why'd you stop?
Why is taking? Why is
He's gonna go get the food, honey.
But why is she taking?
She's thinking too much, right?
But why?
Why'd you stop?
Huggy, stop. You're making the girl mad. Sorry, Birdie. I say sorry, Birdie.
Look, look, look. She got it. Yay.
Good job, Birdie.
You did a good job, Jess, giving her food.
You're
Bye-bye.
welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, they did say thank you to you, huh?
You're welcome.
The other ones are gonna come back too. They're gonna come because there's a lot of food over there. I mean,
Yeah.
there's bread.